Hi guys, I had a few questions pertaining to this amazing digital that is available in our Etsy store, so I figured I would show you guys, do another little short video and show you what this is all about. So these actually make really amazing tall tabbed tags with inserts. So you have your tall tabs, which are those, okay? And then you have your inserts, which are your journaling cards. You have also some tabs, and then you have your belly bands or bookmarks. And they have, you know, faux vintage tape and stains and splatters and stitching and a little bit of grunge and vintage wear, which are the things that we all love. So with these, you guys have seen the videos, and I think that's where the questions are coming from. You are able to make projects such as these. These are the ones that I made for Graphic 45. They have a window and they slide out to reveal yet another scene behind them. And there's a full video tutorial on these as well. And they open up this way and then they open up yet again. So you have a lot of journaling capabilities there. Then I made this one as well. And you can see some of them I went ahead and used an eyelid and used some trims where other ones I did not. Here is that other one again. There is a mermaid that is swimming, and then when you pull back it will reveal the under the ocean scene with, again, a double journaling and then another flip there as well. I've also made a third one from that collection, which is this one right here. Once you pull your mermaid out, you have once again the ocean bottom. And so these were made with this digital. All of these projects were made with that digital. If you're not into mermaids, you can also use some of your favorite stamps. So this one was done using chipboard and a stamp image on the journaling card. And again, once you insert it through the window, you're able to see that lovely stamp. So that's another way to use those. This one was made with vellum, and you can see it's like a frosted glass, and when you pull you can see the full image, but you still have a frosted view of the paper behind it as well. And this is Little Women collection from Graphic 45, which is a retired paper line. But you see that you can use other elements such as acetate and vellum as well. This one was done using clear acetate stickers that we have also available in the store. It's got mushrooms and dragonflies, and those are clear acetate, as well as some embellishments. And this journaling card was left blank, ready to be journaled onto. Then I made one without a window. This one has got some mixed media drips or paints to it, some gears. It's more of a steampunk feel to it. And you can see just how lovely those work. And then when we pull our tab, I have used some rice paper, and I have purposely left, you know, this cracked edge on it, as well as some of the feathering from the rice paper itself. So you can do them without a window as well. And then I did one more. Of course, I'm going to continue because I'm addicted to making these things now. They are great and they're so easy to make. You can, you know, do them in a snap and just have great embellishments to add to your journals, or a beautiful tag card to also send to friends and family or add to a gift. This one is done with chipboard from the, oh heavens, somebody tell me down in the comments the name of the line. I know it's Sissy, but I can't think of the paper line now. This one I used an oval frame from the chipboard, And I did deck out the crown with some jewels and her hair as well. And that's Princess Sissy from Austria. I went to her museum, absolutely, or her home, excuse me, absolutely beautiful. I got to see her quarters. In the back, we reveal a window that is back there, but also we had this gorgeous frame as well. And this one is also one that opens up to journal on. So I hope that this has given you a better idea and overview as to what you can do with this digital here. The sky is the limit. Pick any paper line that you have in your stash or any other combination of ephemera, digitals, chipboard, acetate, stickers, vellum, yes, rice papers, you know, magicals or other paints, as well as, of course, your gorgeous graphic 45 collections in Stamperia, Ciao Bella, Mente. I mean, we could do just so many amazing things. Blue Fern would be amazing with this as well. Check out our online store. We do have all of the paper lines that I have mentioned, and then some more, as well as chipboards and trims and eyelets and brads and acetate and vellum and all kinds of fun stuff. Plus, of course, you can download the digital and be on your way to making your very own. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope that this has answered some of the questions. However, if you have additional questions, do leave them in the comments down below, because I would love to, of course, answer those for you and be able to make sure that all of your questions are answered. You guys have a very creative day. Bye.